Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You wouldn't believe how sick we were on this trip, but we managed to get content in. From our electric vehicle woes to us going ahead and picking up my friend from the airport to him going ahead and trying different foods that he've never experienced before. We had a wonderful time. But the trip never ended there because we went ahead to Orlando, Disney Spring, and we experienced some different things such as the Museum of Illusion, and we're here to bring you along with us. Enjoy! So we went to a mall. You know, that's a must. I love that decor that they had. Of course, we tried Auntie Annie's. He didn't like it that much, but it was good. And he got his original Clarks from the Clark's store. That was such a hype moment. Then we went to Disney Springs area, but this is not Disney Springs. This is somewhere else. I don't remember the name, but it was like close by and we walked this place. It was very neat, it was very cool. Then we went over to the Museum of Illusion. It was within that area of Museum of Illusion. We had so much fun here, just like being illusioned. But it was a fun time. We did some creative things, experienced some mind-blowing things like this one. How did that happen? How a black box became a orange triangle. This was just like fun to capture. You know, it kind of like freaked you out a little. And then this was supposed to give you the illusion that you just have a head. We probably messed it up, but I just have a head. Ah! It was so fun. Anyways, we went into the other room and it was like that room that gave you three shadows. We took some very nice pictures in that room and it was a fun time. This room was supposed to be, we were standing up straight, we looked straight, but it gave us that we were like leaning over. I think I probably have a video of us like look, like we're standing straight and it's just like leaning us over. It was just like so cool. Look at this. It's crazy, but it was a fun time as I mentioned. I don't remember what this is the mirror room. It was the mirror room and we were just like, "Oh, this is so cool." You are being sleepy. You're getting sleepy. But anyways, yeah, so we just played with these a little walk around. They had some cool images that we took into and just like experienced everything. Like that image right there. And that image too. And right now it's just I thought there was like some kind of glass. I was wondering what's going on, but Tyler and Trev kind of like figured it out. So it looks like he's playing with himself, but it's just like him. And it was pretty cool to see. Anyways, after that, we were going to Wonderworks. Pretty awesome building. We didn't get to go inside, even though everything inside seemed wonderful because we were running behind on time to go to Disney Springs because we thought they had fireworks. When we got there, we realized no fireworks. So we just went, got something to eat, and then we just went to AMC after that. So this is us going to the AMC. It was very dirty. The seats were very worn out. We watched a very basic movie, but we had a good time. Believe me when I say Florida was actually really chilly this time around. Not Pennsylvania winter chilly, but it was chilly enough where the only day that it was like 80 and nice to go to the beach was Thanksgiving Day. So, of course, we stopped by to dabble in the water. Then it was Thanksgiving time. Look at my cousin praying. That's my big family waiting to eat that food up. Oh my word, look at that turkey. Gobble gobble. We definitely gobbled up that turkey. It was so good. It was so juicy. All the food was amazing. Big shout out to my sister for hosting. Big shout out to everyone that made the food. My aunt, my sister for making the food. It was awesome. Everything tasted wonderful. I can't wait for Thanksgiving 2027, probably before I come there again for Thanksgiving. But we had fun and we hope you enjoy. Listen to my family chaoticness.